This is Jacob Polacco with Spice Vagrant. We are headed towards Statien Pier. Noodles. Nice mackerel. Like a succulent fern sort of thing. Bitter beans crachai, fresh crachai, finger ginger.
Oh wow, the after
mushrooms. Yeah, that fern kind of tastes mushy.
Yeah, and then kind of oniony too.
Yeah, a lot of flavor. It's very good in salads, like very briefly.
I bet.
These are straw mushrooms. You cut them open, and there's a mushroom inside. Looks like a little mushroom in a house, kind of.
Cool. Sawtooth? No.
No, this is wing bean.
Wing
Wing bean. Concrete.
Oof. Smells so fresh.
Little smelt fish and cockles. About as fresh as it gets.
Oh my god, look at that guy.
And the blood cockles there too.
Yeah. Ooh, look at how beautiful.
Yes. Oh, and the mantis prawns.
Oh shoot.
Mantis prawns.
Yeah, those are the ones that are fierce. Thank you. Oh, they have like purple legs.
Kopunka.
Kapunka.
Dakon.
What chicken?
Chicken. All chicken. This is Jacob Polacco, and you're watching Spice Vagrant. Thanks for joining us. We are at the Oldtown Hostel here in the up-and-coming neighborhood of Oldtown in Bangkok. We chose this place. It was about 800 bucks, 800 baht for a private room with a shared bathroom, but where you kind of lose out with the whole private bathroom, shared bathroom thing, it totally makes up for in character. And like I said, this neighborhood is really up and coming. This place is adorable and super cool and chic. It is in a century-old Chinese shop house. There's very limited rooms, so get booked in advance. And like I said, our room for a private room was 800 baht, which is about $24 US. and the room is super sterile and beautiful, and it's just a quaint little spot. We're really glad we found it.